Let's get to work. Today I'm gonna show you how I created these press-on nails. I've got inspiration from Pinterest. I already placed the nail tips on the nail stands and I'm using these tips from Shein. These are not the best quality, but if you prep them good, they will do fine. And using as well this dust collector. For me, it's very important to use it because otherwise the dust will be flying all over my breathing space and that is not healthy for sure. This is how the nails are looking right now after the filing and the buffing. And a Meili base gel is next and I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. I started to apply this sheer pink and then I realized that it's gonna be too transparent, especially for press-on nails. If you apply them with glue, probably you will see the glue through the nails. So I have to change it to a more opaque color. These ones are as well from Naimeli, and as you can see, they're very opaque and beautiful. I'm using two colors, the blue and it's more like a nude color, but it's stronger than that. It has like a hint of pink in it, and they're gonna be perfect for the design that I'm creating today. I'm creating an ombre with this white gel polish from Born Pretty, and I'm gonna be trying this tool that I purchased on Shein. So far I like this tool. I'm gonna start with a thin layer, cure it, and I will apply probably two more layers until I'm happy with the way the ombre looks. Next, I'm gonna be doing some Frenchies and some line work with this black liner gel polish from Born Pretty. And then I will cover everything with gold chrome. When I have to clean up any messes, I usually use alcohol or acetone, depends on the strength of the mess. This depends on how messy it is and how much, because the alcohol is weaker, so the acetone for sure will take out everything faster. And this is the chrome I'm using from Naimeli, and today I'm gonna be using the gold one. This chrome powder applies very nicely on black gel polish, but it can be applied as well on top coat. Usually curing the top coat about 30 seconds will be enough to apply the chrome, and then you will have to seal it for sure with top coat. For the final touch, I'm going to apply some rhinestones. not too much, just one here and one there. Today I'm just placing the rhinestones on top of the top coat, but it's recommended to use the rhinestone glue. For sure they're gonna hold better. Even though these ones are not like huge rhinestones, with the wear and tear, they might come off if it's only placed on top coat. Once I'm done curing the top coat for 60 seconds, I'm going to take the nails from the stand and place them in a box. And this is it for today. I just want to say thank you if you stay until the end of the video. Like, comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.